teach you guys how to swallow a cat. Okay. Swallow circle. If you mess up, erase it and this has to be perfect. If you don't want. Cat ears. So equal flying is like Spider-Man. You can see that. So the body. And go. And then tomorrow I'm going to have school, so I'm not going to have time to make videos right now.